Good morning, all you lovely people. Right, I don't know if you'll be interested in this. I mean, I make lots of glass jewellery. I make earrings, dangle earrings, stud earrings. And I've got lots of these. These are the centre punches that I take out of coins. You know, when I punch through, this is the 2 shillings. And this is the centre part of the 2 shillings. And I don't throw them away, I keep because I kept thinking, what could I do with them? And I think they'd make nice earrings. So let's clean them up a bit. It's Kate Bush. Because I haven't cleaned these, or you know, I just punched them out. Oh, there she is. Do the back as well. Not got any grease or... But I think yeah, they might come out quite nice. Holding them's the fun part. I don't know if you'll be interested in this, but I thought I'd make a quick video. Knowing me, it won't be a quick video at all. It'll probably be longer than a bloody coin ring. Right. So let's take out Kate and whack in Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. The polish. And we'll give it a go. Yeah, it's showing up nice. Well, obviously I've got loads of centres, so I've got company bits, and I think they look quite nice. What do you think? Honest opinion. Worth a video? Hey Gary, there's one for your wife, man. She could make these. Out of your centerpieces you knock out. Oh, that's quite shiny. Yeah, quite nice. The thing with these is I use sterling silver studs because a lot of people have allergies. And when I'm on the market, I've even had a couple of people, not many, that are allergic to silver. And they say, yeah, I say, well, no problem, I can use stainless steel or surgical steel. Yeah, there's no polish on them. So, these are the studs. These are 6mm studs, and they're riveted. If ever you're going to make earrings, stud earrings, always use the riveted ones. Don't use the ones that have just been like welded, because they're crap. As soon as they've been put on off a few times, they usually break. These are riveted on. And I always file the back, rough it up. It gets all the grease off it. So don't waste your money on the welded, I don't know if they're it's welded, but the soldered post. You want them riveted. Ask me how I know. When I first started doing jewellery like 20 odd years ago, you buy this stuff and it keeps falling off and people bring them back. They say, hey, that was rubbish. You soon learn. But if you're just getting into sort of making jewellery, get the riveted ones. And get the silver ones. They're not that much more expensive. And the price of silver's going up, but, you know, what are you talking about? And I use a good glue. That's good. It went all over my hands. I'm just opening up the tube. Right. Is some going to come out today? Yeah. Now this glue takes a good, I usually leave it about 2.5 to 3 days. And then after 2 or 3 days, or 2.5 days, 3 days, leave it 3 days. All depends what glue you use. There's loads out there, but get a good one. Then once it's dried, you can get a sharp blade like a Stanley blade and go around at an angle and clear that off, because it looks as if you haven't made the effort. You know, people look at the back of things and think, you know, looks pretty shit. So once it's cleaned off, it looks really good. And I sell a lot of earrings, from dichroic glass earrings, but look at that. It's quite sexy, isn't it? Anyway, oh, it still turned out to 8 minutes, but yeah, so how much would these cost? I don't know. How about €10? 8 minutes work, bit of silver. Okay, the centers are knocked out, but you know. So thanks for watching, and oh, and they come with like rubber backs, you know, the clutches. I don't use the metal clutches because they're rubbish. I use rubber backs. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and catch you tomorrow, God willing. Bye bye.